Welcome back everybody to Subtraction Practice Math. I'm Miss Stephanie and this is Molly and we're going to practice some math today. Alright, so today you're either going to need a deck of cards or the number cards from your number packet that we worked on a couple of days ago. Okay, so you can use those same numbers that you cut out as well. You want two stacks, okay? Put one set of numbers in one stack and one set of numbers in another. So for the cards, you may use one set that's black and one set that's red, or maybe both sets, diamonds and hearts. But you want two different stacks, okay? You want 2 through 10, okay? Numbers 2 through 10, all right? Now, if you want to go higher in your numbers, you're more than welcome to make extra cards that have numbers like 13 and 14 and 15 all the way through 20, all right? So today is Wednesday. Okay, so on your All Aboard Linking Crew chain from your math journal, that's the page you're going to be on. So you're going to write your name and the date on it, all right, so we know when you did it, and you're going to work on subtraction. So I'm going to pick a card here. I have a number 8, and another card, and a number 4. So subtraction is we're taking away, right? So you can write take away this way, and that gives the answer. Or I can write the same math equation this way, right? But today on our takeaway page, we are going to work on this direction, all right? So we have 8, I would put my 8 here, minus 4, so 8 take away 4 is, right? So take away is, all right? So right where these are, you can put a minus sign and an equal sign if you want. So you can put minus equals, if that helps you on your page, okay? All right, so now that we've got all those terms, let's find out what 8 take away 4 is. So now you can have blocks that you might use for this. Maybe you have a whole bunch of stones that you want to use. Whatever you want to use for counters. Maybe you have some coins. Coins are a good way to do this, all right? Or you can use your fingers. So we're going to start out with 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it tells me to take away 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 4. All right, now I'm going to try a dice. I'm going to roll my dice twice and see what my two numbers are. I have a 5 and a 4. So I'm going to put my 5 minus 4. So if you don't have a deck of cards or the number cards, you can always use dice as well. All right, so now I have 5 minus 4. So we need 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to take 4 of those away. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I left with? 1. Excellent. So that's my answer there. All right, so let's take a look at what math subtraction with some stones and blocks. So hang on one second, let's pop over to the table and we'll work on some math that way too. All right, so now I'm going to use some rocks. I have some great black rocks. So I also used a deck of cards. So my first card that I pulled was 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so I picked 6 black rocks to match my card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now out of my other card deck, I pulled 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do a takeaway, right? Take away. So 6 take away 4. So I want to take 4 of my rocks away. 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I left with? That's right, 2. So how would we write this out? So I'm going to remove my cards. And I'm going to write my number 6 right here. I'm gonna write my number 4 right here. And how many was I left with? 1, 2. So I'm gonna write my 2 over here. Great. All right, let's try something else. Okay, let's put this aside. All right, so we have our 6 rocks again, right? So I'm gonna pick another card. This time I picked 5. All right, so out of our 6 rocks, we're gonna take 5 of those away, right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many rocks am I left with? That's right, 1 rock. So when I have 6 take away 5, I have 1 left. Great. All right, so now I'm gonna make it a little harder. So we have 6 black rocks, and I'm gonna do 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I have 9 rocks? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. Now I'm gonna pull another card. What's my card this time? It's a 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rocks. Now I'm going to take 6 of those away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rocks do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 rocks left. So when I have 9, take away 6. I have 3 left. So you can work on your math this way. I also want you to do your linking cubes and make sure you're writing those numbers down. But you can continue with using your objects to subtract as well. It will help you learn, so you should be able to see and look at this without counting and know this is 3. You should know this group is 3. After you took away your 6, that's a small enough group you should know. So go ahead and practice that. So as you use the physical rocks or blocks, or maybe you use coins, start seeing if you can recognize smaller groups. These are not all the same color, but how many do I have? Count by 2s. 2, 4. So I have 4. So without counting, I should know I have 4. You should be able to recognize groups of 5 or less, okay? So work on those as well with your subtraction. Maybe you have all different things that you use because you don't have a whole bunch of something. So maybe I have some rocks, I use a coin, and I use some blocks. So how many do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. And like our first one, 8 minus 4, I'm going to take away 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many objects do I have left? So this is a grouping. You should be able to tell when it looks like this or whether it looks like this, how many objects you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Have fun with math today, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.